Carmen, get on with her. Oh,
Carmen's turn.
no. They always want to fight each other.
I don't know.
Put your feet up, Carmen.
That was scary.
Hey, so why haven't you rode the little horsey swing yet?
She did, and then she yelled at me.
Mm.
Just think, Carmen, this is where you got your everlasting scar on your face. Ambulance came and everything here to your rescue.
I remember.
And you got a whole stuffed animal from him.
Whoa.
What stuffed animal, Mama?
I don't remember.
What happened?
Fell on the stair and busted her eye open.
Why did the ambulance come?
Because you were bleeding. Your eyeball. I could see your eyeball when you would blink through the side of your face.